Understanding the phrase, cake tier. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a special topic to discuss, the phrase, cake tier. This may sound like a sweet and delicious topic, and you're not wrong. We're going to break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. A cake tier refers to one of the horizontal layers or levels in a multi-tiered cake. You've probably seen wedding cakes or birthday cakes that have multiple layers stacked on top of each other. Each of those layers is called a tier. For example, a 3-tier wedding cake has 3 layers of cake, one on top of the other. The tiers can be of the same size or they can decrease in size as they go up, creating a pyramid-like structure. Now that we know what a cake tier is, let's see how we can use this phrase in a sentence. 1. The baker did an amazing job decorating each cake tier with beautiful flowers. 2. We decided to have a 3-tier cake for our wedding, with each tier having a different flavor. As you can see from these examples, the phrase, cake tier, is used to describe the individual layers of a multi-layered cake. To help you better understand and use the phrase, cake tier, here are some related terms. Tier, a layer or level in a structure or organization. Layer, a single thickness or level of material. Stack, to place one thing on top of another. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, cake tier. We hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning English is a piece of cake when you break it down into smaller, manageable parts. Just like the tiers of a cake. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.